Hi, Damien from LeakDtech to Buy here again. Just wanted to share a little bit of information for our commercial customers on firelines. If you're having a problem in maintaining pressure in any of your firelines, you'll notice this by the standby pump constantly running. If you have this situation where you are repressurizing the line, whether it's the hydrant line or whether it is the sprinkler line, in all cases, if the repressurization is happening every 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 45 minutes, there is a leak. So to help isolate these problems, we work with our clients on isolating the buildings first, removing them from the main line so that you are just repressurizing the main line. If you still have a pressurization problem, then if you have any valve chambers, isolate the main line into sections and see which areas are losing pressure. If this helps and you identify the line that is losing pressure underneath the ground, this is where you can then call in LeakDtech, and our team will come in and test the underground pipes and locate the source of the leak. You might want to also take a look at any leaking valves. Hydrants that are old can sometimes have a break in the elbow just below the hydrant connection. So valves can be leaking, or any minute leaks in the system, whether it's a small drip, will reduce the pressure in the line. So any small breakages where you've had recent rectification or maintenance work in and around the fire line can also cause damage to the lines. So call us, any of these scenarios we can help you with, and we'll look forward to speaking to you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.